Now let us start with sum number 3, Roman 1 of exercise 14.3. As you can see, you are going to divide the polynomial, that is 10x minus 25. Here we have two terms, 10x and 25, which you are going to divide by 5. So you are going to write it like this. Now in the numerator, you just see 10 and 25. You know the HCF of 10 and 25 is 5. That means 5 is the biggest number that can divide 10 and 25 without leaving any remainder. And we have x in 10x, but in 25 we don't have any x. So we can take only 5 common. So by taking 5 common from the first term, you will be left with 2 because 5 2s are 10 and x minus. So from the second term, as we have taken 5 common, so 5 5s are 25, 5 will be left, divided by 5. Now as you can see, in the numerator we have 5, in multiplication and in the denominator we have 5. So this 5 and this 5 will be cancelled and your answer will be 2x minus 5. Now let us start with the next sum. As you can see, we are going to divide 10x minus 25 by 2x minus 5. So you will write it like this. Now in the numerator, as you can see, we have in the first term 10 and in the second term 25. And HCF of 10 and 25 is 5. That means 5 is the greatest number that can divide 10 and 25 without leaving any remainder. And we have x in 10x, but in 25 we don't have any x. So 5 is the common factor here. So if we take 5 from the first term, you will be left with 2 because 5 2s are 10 and x as it is, minus the separator as it is. In the next term, we have 5 5s are 25. We have taken 5 common, so we are left with 5 here, divided by 2x minus 5. As you can see, in the numerator, we have 2x minus 5, and in the denominator, in division, we have 2x minus 5. So this one in multiplication and this one in division will be cancelled, and our final answer will be 5. Let us start with the next sum. As you can see, you are asked to divide this polynomial with this polynomial. How you are going to divide it? First, in the numerator, as you can see, we have 10y multiplied by 6y plus 21 within the bracket. And within this bracket, as you can see, we have 6y and 21 as the terms. So in this two terms, as you can see, 3 you can take common because 3 is the HCF of 6 and 21. 3 is the number which can divide 6 and 21 without leaving any remainder. Here we have y in the first term, here we don't have any y. So here we can take 3 common. By taking 3 common in the first term, you will be left with 2y because 2 3s are 6, plus we have taken 3 common, so in the second term 3 7s are 21, 7 will be left here. Next, as you can see, in the division we have 5 multiplied by 2y plus 7 within the bracket. Now in the numerator and denominator, as you can see, we have 2y plus 7 in multiplication here and 2y plus 7 in division here, so we can cancel it. Here 5 2s are 10, we can cancel it. So in the numerator you will be left with 2 into 3, that is 6 as the constant and y as the variable, divided by 1. So this is our final answer. Let us start with the next sum. As you can see, you are going to divide this by this one. So we have written the polynomial before division in the numerator and after division in the denominator, because you are going to divide the numerator by this denominator. Now as you can see, we will write 9x square y square as it is, but within the bracket we have 3z minus 24. Here as you can see, 3z and 24 both are divisible by 3. So we can take 3 as the common factor here. So if we take 3 from the first term, we will be left with z minus 3 8s are 24. You have taken 3. So 8 will be left over here. Now it will be divided by 27xy z minus 8. Now as you can see, this z minus 8 and this z minus 8 will get cancelled. Here 9 3s are 27 and this 27 will get cancelled. Here we have 2x and this x will be cancelled. Here we have 2y and this y will be cancelled. So our final answer will be xy, that is x into y in the numerator divided by 1. So this is our final answer. Let us start with the next sum. As you can see, before division we had polynomial which we have written in the numerator. After division, which we are going to divide with, we have written in the denominator. Now as you can see, we will write the numerator 96 ABC as it is, and here within the bracket we have 3a minus 12. Here we have 3a as a term and 12 as a term. Both the terms are divisible by 3, so we can take 3 common. So in the first term you will be left with 3. 3 into a is 3. We have taken 3. So a will be left. 3 4s are 12, so 4 will be left. Multiplied by, here we have 5b minus 30. We can take 5 common here, so we will be left with b minus 5 6 are 30. So b minus 6 divided by, we have 144. A minus 4 within the bracket, b minus 6 within the bracket. Now as you can see, we can cancel this one with this one, this one with this one. We know 12 8s are 96 and 12 12s are 144. Again we can cancel it by 4. 4 3s are 12 and here 4 2s are 8. This 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. Here you will get the numbers as 2 into 5, that is 10, and we have a, b, c. This is our final answer.